Okay, we're going to first start off with going through grades 3 through 6th grade MEAP, all subjects. And this is 3rd grade. All subjects, we have reading in the green, and we have math in the blue over the course of time. And what we don't like is we have a downward trend here going on, especially in the reading. If we lay a trend line here, this is somewhat flatter in the math. And so there is concern about kids coming into Ryan Elementary School. Now we have 4th grade, all subjects. And blue is the math. And we're going up here. The trend line is increasing on this. And the reading is increasing, but it's somewhat flat. And the writing, it is somewhat increasing. Now we have 5th grade, all subjects. The blue is math, and the trend line is going up. The reading is green, and the trend line, it went up pretty good there, and then it dropped. Overall, there's a slight increase in that trend line, and then the science is low, but the last couple years it has been increasing. And here is 6th grade, all subjects. The blue is math, and it's increasing. Really a steady going up here with what's going on in 5th grade. This looks good. The green and reading really going up. We dipped last year. It could have been the children, though, possibly the cohort group. But overall, this looks good. The social studies from the K-5 or the 3-4-5 instruction, it does not look good. The social studies does not look good. Now we're going to return to the 4th grade, representing 3rd grade instruction, or the grade levels before 3rd grade. And the dotted line is the statewide. The squares are statewide, and the round is Bronson. So here we have the reading. This is the line we saw a little while ago, and we can see we're above the state average in reading. In math, we are significantly above the state average in math. And then in writing, we are below the state average in writing. Now we're back to 5th grade, all subjects. And reading, we go above the state average, we dip below, and we're currently below the state average in 5th grade reading. In mathematics, we've always been above the state average in mathematics to the 45.2% and 53, so about 8 points. And then in science, the state average is here, and they've always been above us. So you see the science, we have this science gap that we're dealing with, and we lost ground. And in the past couple years in reading at the 5th grade level, 4th grade instruction. And then lastly, we have the 6th grade, and the green is our reading, and we're below the state average. We go above the state average in 2012, 2013, but then we dip below it again. But the overall trend line here looks good. In mathematics, below, then we're above, and then significantly above. So the math instruction last year is improving our overall performance. Social studies, way below the state average. We just about met the state average on 2011, 2012. Then we have this large gap. So we see this large gap in social studies that we're very concerned about.